Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of trolling on the USA Moviestarplanet. I'm from the UK Moviestarplanet, but because it's 2 AM on a Wednesday early morning, 1. Everybody's asleep, 2. It's a school night, 3. Chat ban, and the forms are just completely empty, so there's literally nothing to do. So I've migrated over here for a little bit. And this account, Zach Cool, is literally an account I go on to bash Americans. So if I click my forums and we go to mine, you will literally see that almost every forum is about Americans in the UK. Sometimes they get triggered, sometimes they don't care as much, sometimes they don't really blow up as much, but it depends on what you really type. So yeah, we're gonna be making another one because that's what I do. So nobody likes Americans. That's gonna be the fucking massive thingy of it all. And then you're gonna basically list what is wrong with America. So one of the massive things that everybody knows about is you guys have President Trump, who is a child rapist, which is true. You guys have no free healthcare. You guys have to worry about getting shot whilst in math class. You guys have terrible accents. Most of you guys are racist, especially down the south. You guys have a bad rep with the police. A cab. UK is more peaceful. I don't think of anything else off the top of my head, like literally off the top of my head. I guess if no dentist care, I bet you will have disgusting feelings. The UK is pure. And kaboom. And then you kind of just create the form. It hasn't tagged, so that's great. And just leave it there. And this is I've got a comment yet, but it is 10 PM in some parts of America. Depends where you're at. So yeah, literally depends.